Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a clickable link in PDF in Canva. What you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make a clickable link in PDF in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and look into your account, and after that click upload and then click upload files, and I have here, this is sample PDF. Just double click and just wait for a few seconds until it's been downloaded. Yes, this one. And then just go to projects and here, this one, just open it. And then just you can zoom in. Okay, let me just close this one. Yeah, okay. Okay, after that click text and then add a heading. And this is just move it down. And right here, for example, www canva.com. Okay, now just let me decrease the size, and even here you can change the font color. Just go to a letter and then choose, for example, blue. After that click and then click the 3 dots and then click link, and here you can type the website www.canva.com. After that click done. Okay, now if the person is click here, it will take him to the Canva website. And after that just click share and then download, and just be sure that is PDF standard, and if you want to print it out then you should choose PDF print, and after that click download. This is what you need to do if you want to make a clickable link in PDF in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.